The main duties for the robot is to deliver the spare parts to all the station in the line, in this case in body and stamping. This autonomous robot doesn't need any external guide to navigate. We call him survival because the intention was to avoid hazards.
Let's make this love robotic.